Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to assign an administrator to a specific team in the Academy. By default, administrators have access to all teams. However, if you need to restrict access, you can easily do this during the invitation process on the page Admin Roles in the Academies and Admin Settings section. Inviting new admin. When adding an administrator, select a specific academy instead of all academies. After that, you'll be able to choose which teams within that academy the administrator will have access to. Simply add the required teams and click Send Invitation. Please note that the main administrator always has access to all teams, and this cannot be restricted. Done. Now this administrator will only have access to the selected teams. If you need to grant this user access to another academy with a different role, you can do this by using Add More button. Thanks for watching.